If you are a mechanic, I need you to stop everything you're doing and hear this. Right now is the time to make a move.
We are working with one of the largest EV delivery van suppliers in the country. Our customer is going through a crazy amount of growth right now. I would say in the last 6 months, we've probably put 50 plus people to work there. The product that the technicians will be working on is a first generation, state-of-the-art electric delivery van. That's where the growth has come from. We're talking 40 plus service centers across the country that are looking for folks with this type of background.
One of the most exciting things about this technology being new is that we don't have an expectation of you coming in already knowing it. You have that year of experience, you have the basic tools, and then the willingness to learn, that excitement. If you want to be a sponge, this is that opportunity.
We're not going to have people that get thrown out on the floor on day one without instruction and not knowing what to do. You'll spend your first couple weeks doing shadowing with a lead technician there to learn how work flows through the whole process.
It's been really exciting to chat with folks who are coming from a place where they were paid flat rate, because now they have the opportunity, not just the guaranteed 40 hours of work, where you'll definitely have plenty of work to fill it, but if you're somebody who's ambitious and want to go outside of that and earn that time and a half, there's that opportunity for you as well.
If you're a mechanic that feels stuck in your job, if you're looking to be paid fairly, if you're looking to grow your career, I want to talk to you about this opportunity. I'm not worried about your resume being buttoned up right now. We can help you with that.
So this is the time to at least have that phone call. At the end of the day, that's all we need to figure out if this is the perfect fit for you, and it's just that one phone call that ultimately could change your entire life.